In this video, we will be taking a look at how to add your parts inventory to Commander. Adding unit inventory, or serialized inventory, will be covered in a different video. To access the Items module, click on the Maintain tab, and select Items. You can also add items to your Favorites tab, so be sure to watch the video on setting up favorites. Click on the Items icon, that looks like a nut and bolt. You will see a yellow folder that says, All Categories. Click on the plus sign, to view the categories. This will expose a list of folders or categories, that are already set up in Commander, including the parts price files for your parts suppliers. If we converted data for you from another software provider, your inventory can be viewed in this grid. Click on the filter, located toward the top right corner of the screen, and change the search to Inventory. This will filter out all the price file items, and limit the search results to inventory items only. By clicking on a specific folder or category, you would limit the search results to inventory items located in only the folder that is selected. In this example, I am selecting Arctic Cat and can see the 3 items that are in my inventory, including the on-hand stock and their bin locations. Leave the search filter in the top right, set to All, if you want Commander to search through both your inventory and the price files. We also suggest that you click on All Categories, so that Commander would search through all the subfolders or categories, to find the item. Okay, that is good information. Now let's search for a specific item. You can type a part number into the search bar, or use a barcode scanner, to simply scan in the item number or UPC code. If there is a match for the item, the detail for the part will display. Go ahead and add your stock and bin location, and click in the top left corner, to save the item. You can also use the F2 function key, to save information. If you scan an item, and it does not come up, try and enter the part number. If it comes up under the part number, you can capture the UPC code. Scan the barcode into the UPC box, and hit save. You can test the results, by scanning the item again, in the search bar. This eliminates the need to print a barcode label, since the item already contains a barcode. The search results are limited to the record count located in the top right corner. You can increase or decrease this setting, but it will impact the speed of the search results. If your computer is a little older, or lacks resources, set this number to 500 or less. You can also search for an item by the description, or bin location. Now, let's say you wanted to add a few miscellaneous items to Commander, that you purchased on eBay. First, you might wish to create a category for these items. To do this, right mouse click on All Categories. Select New, then select Category. Name the category, and save it. A new category will now appear in alphabetical order, under All Categories. To add items to this new folder, right mouse click on the category that you just created. Select New, then click on Item. You will now be able to enter all the information for this part, including the part number, description, and pricing. And don't forget, you can also capture the UPC code, so that you can use your barcode scanner to sell the item in the future. Here is one final tip. Subcategories can also be created, to separate items into a folder, even if these are contained in a price file. Simply right mouse click on any category, and create the subcategory. I could name the subcategory, Wheels. Next, I could search for all the wheels, by changing my search filter to Description. You can mark all the items by using the Shift key, and hitting Enter. If you hold the Shift key, and left mouse button at the same time, you can drag a single, or even a large number of items, and drop them into the new subcategory. That's a great feature. Any items that are deleted accidentally, can be found in the trash can, located at the bottom of the category list. If you want to recover an item, drag it back into the correct category. If you empty or delete items from the trash can, they are permanently deleted from the system.